अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस। आज की वीडियो में हम बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज ऑफ जनरल नॉलेज करने जा रहे हैं। यह एमसीक्यूज बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स में पूछे गए हैं, तो आज की वीडियो में हम ये इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आप लोगों ने वीडियो को आखिर तक देखना। अगर चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं एमसीक्यूज। द लार्जेस्ट ऑटोमोबाइल मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सेंटर इन द वर्ल्ड इज लोकेटेड एट ए Detroit, B. Tokyo, C. Birmingham, D. Berlin. So the right answer is going to be, it is Detroit. A is the correct answer. The largest lake of salt water in the world is A. Baikal, B. Chad, C. Kariba, D. Caspian. So the right answer is going to be, it is Caspian. D is correct. Second most populous country in the world is A. Russia, B. India, C. China, D. Indonesia. So the right answer is going to be, it is C. China. Indonesia is situated in A. Southeast Asia, B. South Asia, C. Northeast Asia, D. West Asia. Right answer is going to be, it is Southeast Asia. A is the correct answer. The Industrial Revolution first took place in A. England, B. America, C. France, D. Germany. The right answer is, it is England. A is the correct answer. Denmark is situated in A. Eastern Europe, B. Western Europe, C. Northern Europe, D. Southern Europe. So the right answer is going to be, it is Northern Europe. C is the correct answer. Who among the following was a poet of the Italian Renaissance? A. Rossetti, B. Virgil, C. Homer, D. Dante. So the right answer is going to be, it is A. Dante. Sorry, D. Dante. The Communist Manifesto was first published in A. French, B. German, C. English, D. Russian. So the right answer is, it is German. B is correct. Number of seats in Lok Sabha, lower house of Indian Parliament. A. 533, B. 443, C. 433, D. 443. So the right answer is going to be, it is 543. Kawah Ijen volcano, famous for its blue lava, is located in which country? A. Philippines, Philippines, B. Indonesia, C. Japan, D. Malaysia. The right answer is going to be, it is Indonesia. Social media platform Thread was launched on A. December 15, 2022, B. March 23, 2023, C. July 5, 2023, D. November 9, 2023. Right answer is C. July 5, 2023. Pink Lake Hillier is situated in which country? A. Indonesia, B. Australia, C. New Zealand, D. USA. So the correct answer is, it is B. Australia. Banff National Park, Canada's oldest national park, is located in which province? A. British Columbia, B. Alberta, C. Ontario, and D. Quebec. So the correct answer is Alberta. In which country Tabuik festival is celebrated? A. Indonesia, B. Malaysia, C. India, D. Singapore. So the correct answer is Indonesia. A. The deepest place on the earth is A. Trench, B. Mariana Trench, C. Mangrove, and D. Grew. Right answer is it is Mariana Trench. The continent Antarctica lies at A. North Pole, B. South Pole, C. Middle of the Earth, D. Equator. So the right answer is South Pole. Drachma was the currency of A. France, B. Ghana, C. Greece, D. Egypt. So the right answer is going to be it is Greece. The famous book Al-Quran was written by Muslim scientist. The famous book Al-Qanan was written by the Muslim scientist A. Jabbar bin Hayyan, B. Zakaria al-Razi, C. Abu Ali Sina, D. Abdul Qasim Majruti. So the right answer is going to be it is Abu Ali Sina. Polo game originated from A. Gilgit-Baltistan, B. Iran, C. USA, D. Subcontinent. So the right answer is going to be Iran. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.